Thursday the 9th of August, my name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. Let's start with Axiory's technical outlook for the euro-dollar. Price was able to break above daily pivot and now is approaching resistance R1. If price doesn't rebound, we can expect price will focus on next objective at R2, where price will be formed and subsequently correction will be awaited. Rebound from first resistance will be indicating correction and rise will remain in favour if price holds above daily pivot. Based on the conclusions for each indicator and chart analysis, we're expecting a bullish trend. After that, according to the outlook for the dollar-yen, price has declined below daily pivot and now is approaching support S1, and break below this level will be indicating next target S2 support. In the case of deeper decline, bottom will be formed around support S3, but rebound from first support will confirm that correction is complete, and then rise above will be in favour. A vast majority of indicators expect a bearish trend today. We now move on to the sterling dollar. Price will probably hit resistance R2, and then we can expect correction, which will be limited at R1 resistance. Rebound from this level will be indicating that rise will continue, and next objective will be R3. But further fall towards daily pivot will probably confirm that a downward move and will negate previous conclusions. Based on Axiory's chosen indicators and chart analysis, we can assume a bullish trend. Finally, the outlook for the dollar franc. Price has declined below daily pivot, and now is heading towards support S1, and further fall towards S2 hasn't been excluded. But rebound from first support will be suggesting that decline is complete, and sustained rise above daily pivot will confirm that rise and target will be at resistance R1. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis for the dollar franc show a bearish trend. First news today concerns about trade balance in the UK, which will be released at 9:30 AM GMT. Analysts expect medium impact on the sterling and deeper deficit at 8.5 billion compared to a previous 8.4 billion. Next at 1:30 PM GMT, Bureau of Economic Analysis is going to report figures about US trade balance. It's expected to decline from a deficit from a previous 48.7 billion to 47.4 billion. Also, analysts expect high impact on the dollar. Last news today will be published at 1:30 PM GMT by Department of Labour, which will be released weekly figures about unemployment claims with a high impact on the dollar. Previous week showed a decline for 365,000 people, but now is expected another increase to 371,000. And before we finish, Axiory brings you a short overview of the best traders on Axiory, giving you the opportunity to join other traders and investors. In Mirror Trader platform, nothing has changed from yesterday, and Teo for Kiwi dollar remains first, followed by Aussie Yen, Teo strategy, and APS GTS1. Low risk invest has increased by 0.65% to 23.85% from yesterday, and is holding first place, but India also rose by only 0.9%, chasing first low risk invest. FX multiplier hasn't changed and remains at 19.15% in monthly gain. LW Trading has declined by 22%, remaining first, and both Johnny Jang and Tiki Trading increased by 1%. And on this date in 1930, Betty Boot made her first cartoon debut in Dizzy Dishes. All of us here wish you a successful and productive day, so until next time, thanks for watching Axiory's broadcast. Goodbye.